of the world has its own flag. It is the symbol of a free country. It is the most important symbol for a nation which is associated with us for its patriotic pride, its national values, its culture and history. National symbols represent the integrity and distinct identity of the country. This shows how a country is different from other countries. Some facts about our national flag. The first Indian flag was made in 1906 by an Irish disciple of Swami Vivekananda's sister Nivedita, which was red and yellow in color. In 1916, Pingley Venkaya, a writer and a freedom fighter, designed a red and green flag with a charkha in it. On Gandhi's suggestion, Venkaya added a white stripe to it. When India got independence, a committee headed by Dr. Rajendra Prasad was set to select a flag design. The committee chose the flag that Gandhiji suggested and the charkha was replaced by the Ashok Chakra. The saffron color represents the strength and courage of the nation. The white color stands for peace, purity and integrity. The green color reflects felicity and growth. The Ashok Chakra indicates that our country is open to change and continues to develop with time. It has 24 spoke blue wheel found on lion capital of Sarnath. The Indian flag was hosted on the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, on 29 May 1953. The Indian flag was hosted on 14 November 2008. India became the fourth country to land its flag on the moon.
The national emblem of India is the representative seal of the Republic of India that is adapted from the lion capital of Ashoka Pillar, situated at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. The motto of national emblem is Satyamev Jayate, or truth alone triumphs. Do you know that our national emblem is having 4 different animals? They are 4 Asiatic lions, elephant, bull and 1 horse. The elephant denotes the Buddha's outer stream of a white elephant entering her womb, dreamt by Buddha's mother. Bull symbolizes the zodiac sign of Buddha's Taurus. The horse signifies the Buddha's horse on which he rode at the time of departing from the city idol. The 4 lions stand for power, courage, confidence and pride. The national emblem is the official seal of the President of India's central and state government. The national emblem is a part of all Indian currency and the national passport of India has been taken from Ashoka Pillar on 26 January 1950. Dinanath Bhargava sketched and illuminated the India's national emblem. Respecting the national emblem and the national flag is a fundamental duty of every citizen. Every citizen must show respect and not indulge in any act of disrespect to them. National flag.
Jai Hind!